Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the video and a plain text editor. You need the runtime visible. Start the SRT with the numeric counter 1 on its own line, then type the first time range using HH, SS, MSHH, SS, MS. Once done, add the dialog line below the time range. Make sure you save as UTF-8 and SRT. You're building the file incrementally, so set short clips or scenes to subtitle first to avoid getting overwhelmed. Now you focus on timing and readable lines. Open the video, play, pause, and note start and end times to the nearest millisecond. Enter each time range, then type the spoken text, keeping 1 to 2 short lines for readability. Shorter lines improve viewer processing. Once done, increment the numeric counter and repeat. If phrases overlap, trim or split lines across subsequent entries so viewers can follow speech without visual clutter. Finish by saving and testing. Load your SRT into a media player or video editor and watch the whole video to check sync and line breaks. If captions drift, use a global shift or adjust problematic ranges. Make sure frame rate mismatches aren't causing cumulative errors. Once done, save backups and keep the original text file. If subtitles don't appear, verify file name matches video base name and confirm UTF-8 encoding. Those 2 issues solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.